Once upon a time, there was a small town. This town had everything someone could want: a park, a school, a library, and a corner store. It was a peaceful place where everyone knew each other. One day, a little girl named Lily moved to the town with her family. She was excited to explore her new home and make new friends. She loved to read books and play outside. On her first day in the town, Lily went to the park to play on the swings. She met a boy named Jack who was playing basketball. Jack invited her to play with him, and they quickly became friends. Jack loved playing sports, and he taught Lily how to play different games like soccer and tennis. The next day, Lily went to the library to find some new books to read. There, she met a girl named Sarah. Sarah was also a book lover and showed Lily her favorite books. They talked about their favorite stories and authors for hours. Lily felt happy to have found new friends in her new town. She felt welcomed and appreciated. From that day forward, she felt at home in her new town. As the days passed, Lily explored more of the town with her new friends. They went to the corner store to buy candy and snacks, and they visited the school to see where they would be learning. It was an exciting adventure for Lily, and she knew that she had found her new home. In the end, Lily realized that even though she was in a new place, she could still find happiness and build meaningful relationships with the people around her. She learned that a sense of community and belonging can make any place feel like home. Peaceful, pur-aman. Excited, be-qarar. Explore, khojna. Swings, jhule. Taught, sikhaya. Felt, महसूस किया. Appreciated, तारीफ की. Adventure, जवानमर्दी. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों में शेयर कीजिए, नीचे कमेंट कीजिए और हमारे चैनल उर्दू वर्चुअल अकेडमी को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आप फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पर हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया। Hope you liked this video. Please like, share with your friends, comment below, and subscribe to our channel Urdu Virtual Academy. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.